In today's video, I'm gonna do something really different. I'm gonna take my normal steak and I'm gonna deep fry it in some bacon grease. Never done it before. I got a feeling it's gonna turn out great. Follow me and find out. Always take your meat and dry the moisture off the outside as best you can, especially since I'm gonna be using a lot more grease this time. Water and oil don't mix. You put a really wet piece of meat into some heated oil, it's gonna pop, crackle, and spit. A little safety hazard, and it's more likely to make a mess at the very minimum of your counter space. So make sure you dry it off really good. I've also let this sit out and get to room temperature. My insides of my steak have been coming up a little bit too rare, as several of my viewers have pointed out. And one way to offset that is to let it come up to room temperature. It's so when you're starting to cook it, its starting temperature is a little higher. This is bacon grease I've just collected. I collect a couple of jars of these, and I'm gonna put a real generous amount in there. So technically, I don't know if this is gonna be deep fried, but I mean, you could tell I'm gonna have a ½ inch of oil in there. I'm using a smaller pan too, so I don't have to waste so much of this. Get a little salt and pepper here going. Okay, we're good to go. So I'm gonna drop this in pretty slowly because grease has a way of popping up here. Oh. So the volume of the meat actually raised the oil up, which is really good. I'm gonna give it 2 minutes aside and flip it and use my fork to determine the amount of give as far as the doneness goes. Oh, I like the look so far. We got some nice browning going on here. Look at that fat cap getting all nice and brown. Another 2 minutes. 2 minutes are up here. All right, so it's still on the rare side. I can tell just by the amount that it gives, how easily it gives. We're gonna go 1 more minute aside. I love doing experiments like this. Oh, look at that. That is browning up really nice. Yeah, I think that's gonna be perfect. 1 more minute. So there we have it. That's 2 minutes aside, plus an extra minute aside. Look at that, that cooked up really good. Did a nice job on the fat cap. I'll get the eggs going for my wife and I. This is the deep fried steak. Oh, that worked out good. That worked out really good. Deep fried in bacon grease. This is a good medium rare to medium. Didn't know how much to cook it, so I'm gonna back it off that extra minute aside. I like mine just a little more rare than this, but that's delicious. Definitely a thumbs up, must try, people. Thanks for watching to the end. Subscribe to be notified about more great content like this video right here.